Suntech is a hub that helps institutions to manage their daily activities digitally by providing innovative solutions and young talents. My idea started when we was at university and saw how people spend too much time at the entrances for registration, losing their identities and so on. And then we thought bringing Evisitors as the product that can solve the time, the integrity of data, the security, can solve the problems of attendance for institutions. Our startup has a way of designing customizable solutions that enable us to give the customer the product according to their pains or to their needs. Like Evisitors have the way I can serve it to people who have casual workers, but the other side give it to people in events, the other side to people with attendance of visitors. So the way we customize the design to the customers set us from the competitors. Suntech, after starting, has a hub which develops talents for those innovations I mentioned before. So once we are training or occupying people for their academic industrial attachment, we look at how they work, how their talent grows, how their careers are advanced. And then from the hub, it is very easy for us to choose the committed, inspired, and visionable people who can team up with us. That's how we get employees, and that's how we get the top talent.